Okay, as an Audio Cat here with another day and another video, man. I was at the shop getting security cameras done. I got called by my son. He was driving to the shop from home, and supposedly somebody hit his car. So I'm taking off right now to go see where they're at. I'm in the Tahoe driving to him, guys. Tragedy sometimes hit, but we have to deal with it. You know what I'm saying? It's part of life lessons. I know that he's young and growing and learning all this stuff now, but I'm driving to where he's at to see exactly what happened to this car, see how bad the damage is, and to see exactly what happened, man. It's kind of a sad thing, you know, to kind of have this happen, man. But I'm driving here. Luckily, it was by the shop. I'm here on 183 right now, driving towards him. I'm looking for the accident on 183 so I can make a U-turn and come around the back and find them. But I'm just giving you guys an update of what's going on as I try to figure out exactly what happened here with the Audiofox 2.0. So I'm actually looking at the highway here to see what I can see, but I'll be with you in a minute if we get to this accident. Look what we got, guys. We are here right now on 183. The Audiofox got here on the side. There's not really a lot of damages that you can see in the rim. He did get the rim messed up there. He did get some damages here in the car. So he's also got Miss Audiofox all mad. Look at the damages that he's got, guys. So you can see that pretty much up.
And as you can see, look at it.
Yeah, it got some bad. We got some paint sticking off that thing right there.
You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, man. So this is kind of what's going on, man. Right now, at this point in time, they're laughing at me because I'm vlogging this guy. But you know, as a YouTuber, we have to vlog everything that's going on. So Audiofox, I'm glad you're laughing. You shut up. But anyway, guys, this is what's going on. At this point in time, they have an accident. It's not too bad on the Audiofox. Sad part is, and this is the part he's not gonna want to hear, they're not gonna replace the rim, they're gonna fix it. Just so you know. And they did what they did at this point in time. But it's not that bad. The guy's over there mad as hell, talking to my wife, trying to say all these different kind of things. But you know, the fact is that the cops come and do what they gotta do and declare this and get this figured out. I wanna know.
So how you guys feel?
I wanna know what you feel like right now. What happened in the accident? Tell YouTube what happened today.
I want to beat this case, so I'm not too worried about it.
Why are you gonna beat this case?
Because he hit my rear end, so I'm good.
He hit your rear end or your car's rear end?
Oh, my car's rear end.
Oh, your car's rear end. Because I hope it hit your rear end. That wouldn't be a good thing, babe. He just said he got hit in the rear. If you just got hit, you better call somebody. But nah, we just glad that it wasn't. I'm glad that it wasn't a serious case for nothing really crazy, man. At this point in time, we're just waiting for the police to come. We got somebody backing up. Be careful over there. Look, be careful. You got somebody backing up over here. But we're gonna get this done. Let the cops come and do what they gotta do, and we'll continue. Because this is the way we start our morning, man. Miss Audio Cat, what you gotta say?
Anything, what you gotta say?
I don't gotta say.
Oh man, what's up, man? They hit us.
Damn, stomach. I got right to the door. My stomach started.
You're on the blog here. Let's keep it going.
What happened?
Your
Well,
stomach hurt?
because my mentor taught me that tragedies are a good blog.
What happened?
So he's coming home from work, to work.
The rear end?
He got hit on the side of the car. Come here, look at this.
Oh no, but don't get upset when the guys start talking.
Hey, do me a favor. Don't hit this guy.
What's that back here? Oh, it ain't that bad, but it's for this video.
Yeah, so look at this.
What is this?
He got hit. It's all tire and bumper. Cause this is what you gotta tell the camera today, bro.
What you gotta tell the camera?
Be safe.
You know that you the man. Say you the man. Say you the man. Say you the man. Cause he could do what I can do. It's 10:08 and he's still at the shop right now.
No,
You gotta.
I just told you. When I just walked up. I said I got to the door, my stomach started bubbling.
Go, guys.
You think you mad?
I want to point out something right now at this point in time. It's not a good time for you to have a sticker that you have in the car, and I'll bring it to you in a minute. You got the, hold this here for me, Gordo? No, that. I don't need this. Well, this is what's going on here, guys.
Been back up here.
Got everything situated here.
He has.
But my point is that this is not a good time, Turbo, to have this sticker on your car. Because what does it tell the cop when they see that on your car? You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those cases. We have to deal with it, work with it. Life happens. Stay positive. Don't even worry about it. Things can happen. situated. It is what it is. Just finished leaving. They found the case to be at the other guy's fault, which we knew that because it's front damage of his car to rear of another, improper lane change, which is good. So we got the claim done. Now we got to decide if we want to go to the insurance. So let me explain to you what happened at this point in time. They found him at fault, and that's a good thing. In point, I thank God, first of all, there's no major accident. That was the biggest part. It wasn't major. Nobody got hurt. Nobody got damaged really bad. It wasn't that serious, a little fender bender. But there's still a cost to fix this, right? Because you still got damages in the vehicles on both parties, and you got things to get fixed, and that's what insurance covers. But on the other side of this vlog, this is what happens. So when you have an insurance claim, you got a police report. That's a police report saying, okay, this is what happened. This is what we found. And we find this person to be negligent in the claim. These are the parties involved. Their ID numbers, their driver's license number, their addresses, their phone numbers, and they pretty much exchange information. What happens at that point in time is that now we have the right to go to the insurance and make a claim. Once we make the claim, we already know that they found him at the fault, so it'll be in our favor. We don't really get damaged in anything with our insurance, but we do have the problem of the Carfax. So let me say what Carfax is. Anytime that your insurance is claimed, it reports on your Carfax, and you've probably seen it before where it shows you front damage. Whenever you see a Carfax, the damages in these two cars is very minor. I actually have my guy with a picture. Excuse me, take a look at the Altima. He told me about $550 to fix the Altima. Isaac car made about $250 to fix this. Not really a major damage, thank God for that. But if you go to insurance, body shops are gonna stream the money out of the insurance. I mean, they're gonna be going, okay, we have to paint the quarter panel because they have a chip. And they can make the estimate a lot higher, and that's what they're in business for, to make money. And insurance to pay for that, what insurance is paying for. The downside for a car owner is down the line, your car is gonna have a Carfax report showing you that your car had damage, number one. His insurance is gonna show that his car had damage on his Carfax. He's also gonna be out of a $500 deductible from the insurance to fix the car, which is what he told me his deductible was. Then he's also gonna have the rise in insurance, but also his Carfax is gonna show the value. So he has a lot more loss being at fault in this accident than we would. On our side, the only loss we will have, we don't pay deductible because it wasn't our fault. The only loss that we do have is the fact of it being on the Carfax showing that the car had vehicle front end damage. So we talked to the guy, and I gave him, listen, man, if you want to settle out without going to insurance, give me $300. I'll get Isaac's car fixed. I'll get you to my contact. They'll fix your car $550. And it doesn't have to go to insurance, so it doesn't affect his insurance. Doesn't affect his pricing every month in insurance. Doesn't go on his Carfax. Doesn't go on my son. That's kind of the way I want to resolve it. He told me to give him to this afternoon. I got the police report here. He said to give him to this afternoon so he could decide with his wife what he wants to do, because money's a little tight, and we do understand that too. So long story short, we're grateful to God for the protection that he had in this case, and there was no serious accident. There was nothing really big that happened. Nobody was hurt. Nobody died. There are people who went to work today, had car accident, and died, guys. There are people who went to car accidents today and got paralyzed. So it wasn't really that major of a deal. Glory be to God, in my opinion. I know some of y'all believe in God, and y'all have, others have expressed it. They don't, but I don't believe in luck. I believe in Christ. I believe that he is my protector. He is my guidance, and he has guided me up to here, and he protected my family to here. So I'm grateful for that. A little overwhelmed in emotions as this goes through because, guys, long story short, it was an accident. When you get a call that your son was in an accident, or your daughter, or your mom, or your dad, or your brother, or anybody, you always assume the worst. Thank God we got there and everything was good. So at that point in time, we're going to decide what we're going to do and get this car fixed up for Isaac again. And I hope it's a life lesson. So now he could also learn to be a little more precautious on the road. It's not just you driving, or other drivers. You need to pay attention to your surrounding and your other people around you to know exactly what's going on. It's not just you on the road, guys. And if it's not just you, you need to pay attention to the people, because you never know what's going to happen when you're driving. I trust myself driving. I don't trust other drivers. So he is, he's pretty much, he's okay. So we're going to roll from there. Let me get some input from the guys. So at this point in time, I have to vlog all this here. Yeah, you're looking at that, but that's not what we're talking about. Let's talk about your accident. Let's be real about this. How you feel right now?
I feel fine.
You feel fine? Did it shake you up a little? Let's be real. Did you feel shaken up? You were safe the whole time?
Yeah.
You know that we love you, right? Sometimes. But you know that right now you're planning for the next 2 years, right? Yep. He's laughing.
Damn, I'm like Chris.
Yeah, you're gonna be next for the next 2 years. We got Chris over here. You haven't seen him for a long time because he's always in trouble. We'll talk about that on another vlog. But anyway, guys, Adolfo, I would just say on camera that we're lucky that it was a minor accident. Nobody got hurt. Nobody got crippled. Nobody got paralyzed. Nobody lost their cars. It wasn't total. Nobody died. Thank God for protection. You know what I'm saying? I think the only reason the car stood stable was because he was on the passenger side with all that weight. You can't be flicking me off, ass. But long story. Now, what happens here is that because of the weight that he had, it stopped the car from shaking to the side and having that problem. Josh, do you agree that we're safe because Gordon was in the car and all the weight held the car down? Yep. That's what I'm saying. Back in a minute. You better stop speeding or having stupid thing in your car because I'm going to teach you a damn lesson, nigga. You want to get crushed? Huh? You going to stop? Give me the money. Give me your money. We'll continue. You see this is a young defender.
No smoke. Isaac, what are you doing? I'm helping you.
Isaac, what are you doing? After the practice.
You ready? Open the garbage can.
Open it.
No, Isaac, help me.
No, Chris. No, Chris.
No, Chris, what do you mean?
Let's go put him in the garbage.
No, that hurts.
No, I'll see that right here.
Are y'all
Put him in the garbage.
Y'all getting know where the garbage is?
This way.
What are you recording that way?
I think you're